The first grand alliance is formed. The Alliance of People's Democratic Party and the Allied People's Movement. This handshake will allow us field candidates at all levels. We will field candidates from top to bottom. We will field candidates from presidency to state assembly and everything in between. Therefore today, I, Oluseyi Abiodun Makinde, FNSC, announce my candidacy for the position of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Under the PDP-APM alliance.
Èèyàn la fi mọ̀. Radio Ukraine. National anthem. Wọ́n ní pé àwọn yìí lásán rọ́ọ̀kì ẹjọ́ yẹ wà bá ṣe ń lọ o ká lè mọ ibi tá a bá tò sí ibi tẹ́ bá ń lọ Ṣèyí ọmọ Mákindé ẹjá wa o ká lórúkọ rẹ̀ sí gbogbo ibi tẹ́ ẹ bá ń lọ là ń lọ torí ibi tẹ́ ẹ bá wà ibẹ̀ gángan lọ́nà ó yá APM Ṣèyí Mákindé APM.
Alliance, we will be into the alliance. Nigeria has to move forward. Nigeria cannot afford a one-party state. And therefore, I bring you all the good tidings and all the support from Igbo land. And we wish you well. We will support this, we will nurture it, we will grow it, and it will come out successful to the benefit of mankind in Jesus' name.
We have social ills in form of robbery, kidnapping, Boko Haramism, and all sorts of ill, and people find it difficult to pay school fees of their children and attend common clinic. This thing must not remain the same thing. Status quo must change. We have to rescue Nigeria for the interests of Nigerians.
You can see today the Unity Mega Rally, you can see the crowd. That means the people of Oyo State, they love our governor, they love Governor Makinde, they believe so much in him. So that is the reason why you can see so many of our people from the grassroots. They are here to rejoice, to unite for the candidate, for the party of His Excellency Governor Makinde.
This program is to let the people of Oyo State know that our PDP structure and our PDP people who support and love Oyo State and have supported His Excellency Governor Makinde are going to be supporting all of the candidates that are riding on the platform of the APM in the upcoming elections.